Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, a little disclaimer. This video is for education purposes and there is no claim and blame shared research. So this video is about Bitcoin and how far it is expected, like for the weekly basis, daily basis, and what are the levels where profit taking would come, and what are the expected levels if it gives a closing above certain levels. So I'm going to talk about, firstly, I'm going to talk about BTC on 4 hour scale. And as we are seeing, this is the live trading and window. And first, like Bitcoin, BTC has to sustain, BTC has to sustain at least this level, 53, 550 level at 4 hour scale. So, and in the next 4 hour, like if we see that there is still 1 hour left in closing 4 hour scale. So if BTC is not gonna cross this level for 54,821, then this will be in trouble for next 4 hours. And for the next 4 hours, if this candle is not going to be touching or crossing this level, then it will definitely come till 53 550 level. And this is really for short scale, and this is particular band in which BTC is now trading, and breaking any of this level will gonna take BTC to next level. And the next level, if this level is crossed, then it is obviously 56,000 level. And if it is not crossed, then if this is break, then the next level is gonna be something between 850 to 52,000. So this window BTC is operating for the 4 scale. And let's talk about the daily basis. So daily basis is particularly we are left with 5 hours for the daily base closing. And daily base closing, at least it should be around at specific level, like above at least 5400. So if this candle is going to sustain for above 54,000 level, then the next candle could be more powerful one, and probably it will break this 56,000 barrier also. So, but if this level is not sustained on daily basis, like this keep closing above this specific level, but in the next candle it couldn't sustain this level, then this is going to be a troublesome condition for BTC. And the expected level it can fall is around 52,000, and for the next day. And if we see that this if this level is crossed, then I have already tell that it is going to test 56,000 again. And if the 56,000 is crossed, then we will see where it can go. So this is particularly for the daily base level. And daily base support is available around 46 to 50 level. So it is quite far from this support now. Daily based, like 20 DMA support is quite far from now, and it is really in a bull mode. And probably it will continue its bull mode, and the maximum uh, it can it can take correction is around about 52,000 to 52,500 to 53,000. So maximum, it is a maximum level at which Bitcoin can take the correction, and then it can continue its move again, because always there is a zigzag move. There is nothing like it will move perpendicularly or just go straight forward. So it is not gonna happen in BTC in any of these stocks. So Bitcoin has to follow some rules also. So if we saw it if we saw volumes are pretty good. Like for the daily basis, still 5 hours are left, and probably it will cross this red bar. And then if it is going to cross the red bar, then it is one more confirmation that okay, the volumes are fine, and next it can challenge the 56,000 level, and it can cross even the 56,000 level to 58,000 level. So let's talk about the weekly basis. Weekly basis range it is awesome closing. As I have started this video making today, so previously I have an Instagram account, and Telegram account also. So I was continuously informing there in my Telegram group that if the BTC is gonna cross this level, then it's gonna test the 52,000 level, and I was telling them day by day. But now it has crossed every boundary, and now the next challenge is like on the weekly basis there are still 2 days and 6 hours left. And what BTC has to do, BTC just has to maintain this level. Let me show you. Let me show you this level. BTC just has to maintain that. Let me drop this thing and drop this thing also. So BTC just has to maintain 50,500 level. So if it is giving closing above 50,500 level on weekly basis, there are still 2 hours left. Then obviously we will see next week some spikes, some good things in BTC, and probably it will be challenging 58,000 to 60,000. And let's see how far it can go. And I have drawn a channel and to check where it can go and to how far it will be there. So I particularly choose this like this way. Yeah, and these are my own calculations. So if I fit in this thing, here, and now I can see that this channel, this BTC is operating on weekly basis between 52,855 to 59,977. So if BTC is gonna sustain 53,000 level at least on weekly basis closing, as I was telling earlier also, so it will gonna be in this channel. So probably next week we will see this 60,000 hitting our target and above 59,000. So 59,000 is basically 59,000 to 66,000 is basically will be the target for the next week if BTC is giving us closing like above 53,000. So probably it will sustain this level. It will be in this channel, and we will gonna see some good profits in next coming week if this closing is going to be sustained by BTC, and if this channel is break by BTC, and it is giving closing below 53,800 at least, then we will see some correction, and for the next week, and probably it will be up till 50,000 or 49,000. So but it has to maintain this level according to me. It can be anything, because it is really unexpected by BTC that if to say that this is going to be happening in BTC. No, Bitcoin is a pretty challenging one. It has unfortunately its own rules. So it can be in a quick way, it can gain 2,000 points and lose 2,000 points in a quick way. So within a blink of an eye. So this is all from my side. For I hope that you will like this video, and in the next coming sessions I will gonna talk about some good scripts which can give you some good gains, and hopefully see you next video. So like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again.